What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock. Guys, look at this flush that I have been calling out, that this is where I'm putting my money as well. Now look at it, looking great, right? So we'll talk about all this in this video. My thesis into going into this position that I went 2 days ago, and what was my thinking process to keep holding into this position, and why I think it's going to continue lower, and it has been continuing lower despite analysts even yesterday coming out with their price targets upgrade up to $225 levels. I'll talk about that. There are a couple of still coming out today with higher price target, and I have been saying I don't see it technically, right? I don't see it technically, guys, and look at it. I have been making money and analysts have been losing money, or they have been making you lose the money because they tell you to buy while they are also selling. So, well, anyways, I'm not gonna go there. It's none of my business. Anyone can say what they want to do. Anyone can do whatever they want to do. It's completely their choice. What I'm here for is we're gonna do the technicals here. I'm gonna share my opinion, and that's all. None of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for whatever you do. I'm only sharing my opinion. Okay. I also did a video on Nvidia this morning. Check that out. I talked about make or break levels, guys. Here's the video. Check this out. Guys, you don't want to miss this video out I did this morning. Make or break levels on Nvidia. And guys, this thing, look at it. You just check out that video, guys. This thing is plummeting. I'll do another video once the market has closed, but yeah, this thing is just making everyone lose their shirt now. But anyways, this video is for AMD. So let's come back to it. So I first want to go over a couple of things that came out yesterday. AMD stock can surge 40%, this new bull says. This is from yesterday. And HSBC turns bullish on AMD shares. All right, they turned bullish. They raised their price target from $180 to $225. All right. They came out yesterday and they said, all right, 225. And I'm so sad if someone would have bought just listening to them, and they're already red today. Like, this is bad, right? That's why it's very important to learn how to trade. It's not just the analysts. They are working in their benefit. They're not here to help you. They will raise these price targets so that they can sell in the liquidity, right? It's just pumping it up for no reason. They don't see where the market is going, right? I'll show you QQQ and SPY as well. Just been working out as how we have been talking that it's going to be flushed, right? Okay, and if you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. Links are in the description below of this video. So here we have, and these are only educational tools. I wanna emphasize that. Okay, now here we have this position that I opened on AMD 162 and 73 cents almost. This was 2 days ago, right over here on the red candle. And for what reasons I opened it, right? So let's talk about that first real quick, and then we'll jump into price action as well. So we lost this trend line with the pivots that we had. We rejected it, and then we started to reject the underneath of it, right? Then we started to lose level by level. We lost this consolidation at $175. We started to make a next base, but as we started to lose this, I'm like, okay, this is the area we're gonna get flush, $162 due to this prior some consolidation. And we are pretty much in that flush. So let's go to the hourly interval. Things will get much more clear actually over there. So this is what I was wanting, right? I said that this is the structure that we have again broken 164 into the downtrend as we were in, and we broke this 164, and I expect this to continue lower now. So I got into the play 162, and even even yesterday when the price started to go up, I talked about it that it's not bullish. It hasn't changed any structure to the upside. We are below 200 hours moving average as well. Let alone not just that, we are also below 20 and 50 hours moving average here, and we have been constantly forming lower highs, lower lows. Now, also, since we couldn't recapture, I wasn't worried. I told you that, guys, there is no structure to the upside because AMD is still below $165 or $164.90. This is where this structure is, right? Of now the resistance, right? We broke that consolidation, and we have been resisting now over there, you can see. So today final rejection at that retest again, and we just plummeted. We plummeted as if there is no tomorrow left on AMD, guys. Now, yes, I'm already in the money and I will be sizing out, in partial profits, right, through these levels. I mean, there are a couple of things I can do. All these levels are marked by my indicator automatically, guys. As I said, links are in the description below if you need them. Okay, I'm just doing medium here just so that on in the level step, I think it already did that because we are in that volatility that medium is showing out fine. Yeah, high. Yep, so I think it's already showing the levels up and down. I can see that, but this is where only the important levels as it's going to show, right? The significant levels. So with the intraday levels. So yeah, so this is one of the partial levels, 155, but that's fine. What I'm wanting to see is if it can come to $150. That's where I would like to take some partial profits out. And I'll see by the end of the day if I just want to take 10% out, right? Who cares, right? 10% is just to feel that I have logged in some profits, right? Why shouldn't I do that? Right? It's my money. I can do whatever I want. So, and then I would take out at least 30% at least around more at $151, whereas that's where the significant level is. So guys, yeah, we are still in the bearish structure. We can continue lower and lower. As I said, the next level I'm watching is the level of 151, and then after that is 200 days moving average. This is what my target is if I can get to that. And yeah, AMD will continue to cool off in my opinion, so would Nvidia. I'll do another video on Nvidia as I said. But yeah, structure is not looking too upside. But hey, junior trader, wait, you say that hey, anything is possible in the market. We think we are still bullish, junior trader. Tell us what's the bullish case on this. Well, guys, if you want to see the confirmed bullish case on AMD by the end of this week, which is Friday, you only have 2 days left. Well, AMD needs to recapture $162.50. If AMD, let's say, does some upside, complete belly flop to the upside, I mean flip flop to the upside, sure, but it needs to show you that it can recapture $162.50 by Friday. Then we can talk, okay, it's changing structure to the upside. Otherwise, no, it's just the structure to the downside. Rebounds can be shorted on this. And with the stop loss, definitely, as I say, we have a confluence, but 20% that things may turn around as well. So 80% is confluence, what I like to go with, and with the stop loss, just in case that 20% happens. So, and yeah, so heading lower highs, lower lows, nothing is changing on this. It's been in lower highs, lower lows forever now. I don't know why analysts would come out with those price targets and higher upgrades. So anyways, okay, that's AMD. I just want to real quickly take a look, another peek at Nvidia. So yep, it's dipped into our blue box, their distribution box, but I'll talk about, as I said, in other videos as well. Later, I'll do another specific video for Nvidia. Another one, I did one in the morning. As I said, check this video out. You will get to know a lot. And how low did we already go? Wow, 843 we touched down there. Okay, so let's take a look at QQ. Wow, $5 down. I talked about it. I have been saying, guys, this is going to keep flushing now, and we are flushing. This is the next level I'm watching, 421, right? We are in the downward structure. I talked about all of this, guys. We are in the distribution phase, right? And once we start to lose $441 area, and guys, we have been plummeting. And right now, I'm not seeing any upside on it. This can keep flushing, guys. As I said, watch the level of 421 and 413, but I'm not seeing any upside right now. SPY flushing, just as how I have been saying, guys, this is the distribution phase. And once we lost $518 level, we rejected underneath of this again, and we have been flushing. And guys, yeah, SPY has a room to come to 477, but remember, move has already started to happen. So, but yeah, this is something I have been saying for quite some time. But again, stop losses are important, and as I said, it's just taking partial profits in the downward journey. So in the short side, and look at it, lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Yep. So no, it's not the time to buy. It's the time to, if you just want to stay bull on these things, then you gotta wait before. There's nothing wrong with just being bull on everything, but you gotta wait for proper entries. Right now, I'm not seeing any entries on SPY. It's a falling knife. If you're a bear, yes, move has already started to happen, and I have been talking about this that we're gonna go lower. It's just that now we are already in that move. So sorry if you're late to the party. You're late to the party. I can't help you with that. And as I said, this is only for educational purposes. You go and do whatever you want to do. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care guys, bye.